Welcome back to YouTube and Pure Sugar Trading, and in today's video we're going to be going over some tips that might help you decide whether you should be actively intraday trading or scalping, or whether you are actually actively intraday trading or scalping as of right now. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions you guys have, pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, as a trader, I used to do a little bit of both. I kind of leaned away from scalping so much now, since I've been in it for a little bit longer, to more of focusing on more of a process and taking more time to see how the market develops, moves, and comes back into where I'm looking to trade, and then kind of trade it. I take maybe about 3 to 5 trades a day, and then from there I kind of wrap it up. But prior to all of this, I used to kind of scalp, and scalping to me is more of when you're in and out of the market, fast paced, you're processing information fast paced, you're taking a lot of trades. You're going to be taking somewhere from 10 to 12 trades, sometimes even a little bit more. And you got to have really precise entries when it comes to scalping, because your stops are going to be smaller, so you're going to have less breathing room when you're doing this, and you're not going to be able to allow the market to kind of fluctuate and move itself around. So again, you're going to have that precision type of entry. Now, there's nothing wrong with scalping. A lot of traders do end up scalping, and scalping gets you pretty quick money. Again, you're in and out of that market. It's just the fact that you have to be able to understand what type of mindset you have when you are trading, what type of way you process information. If you're the type of person that processes information fast, if you have that type of mindset where you're pretty witty, you have quick comebacks, you're able to take in a lot of information really quickly and kind of make an actual move or make a decision immediately, then scalping might end up being for you. You may be able to be better processing that information fast and not thinking so much, but just kind of acting and then making your decision in the market and allowing yourself to develop a trade. Now, if you're not that type of person that processes information really quickly, you like to take in more information, you like to take time on your trades, you like to allow the market to develop, you like to give it a and if you're that type of trader that likes to give your trades a little bit more breathing room between each trade, also between your stops, kind of give that movement, that actual space to move around, then you're going to be more of like an intraday trader, kind of like me. You're going to be able to process trades a little bit more, process information a little bit more. You're going to be able to take in things. You're going to be more methodical. What that basically means is you're going to have more of a method to trading. Not that scalping doesn't have a method, but your method requires more information put in before you actually make a decision. That's kind of how I like to do it. Again, that keeps me to trading 3 to 5 trades versus 10 plus trades as I was prior, scalping more in and out. Now I'm more intraday trading, meaning I'm taking more time between each trade. I'm allowing the market to move around and allowing it to move into areas that I see more of what I want in terms of what I want in trading and how I want to set up my long trades or my short trades based off of the zones, based off of the value area high, value area low, right? That's kind of what I use as a trader to make more decisions and to give myself more breathing room in terms of stops and more time for my mind to process and breathe and take in information a little bit longer, right? That's kind of what works best for me. Again, there's really no bad thing about scalping or intraday trading. It's just kind of learning to see what you as a trader bring to the table in terms of your mindset. What works best for you, how you process information, how you take in information, how you're able to act or react in markets that are moving with more volatility or less volatility, how you're able to process the information, act either really quickly, or you like to see more information before you even make an action or a reaction, right? So again, this is going to be solely dependent upon you as a trader. There's no big issue with scalping or intraday trading. There's multiple different ways you could do this. You could scalp, you could take less trades and intraday trade, you could swing trade and hold the positions for days, weeks, and maybe even for the month, right? So it's really going to be dependent upon what you want to be doing in markets. But also these tips from my experience kind of help to determine whether you're going to be better at scalping, taking more trades, or you're going to be better at kind of taking less trades, intraday trading, sitting back. But again, there is one big downside that I have experienced when scalping is that the fees and commission costs add up at the end of the month. Now, this is going to be one thing that you want to pay attention to, because the way that I track is I track month to month on my trades. So if when I was scalping, I did notice that my fees and commissions would add up and it wouldn't really balance out because I was always in and out of the market. So taking 3 to 5 trades and kind of intraday trading for me worked better because I'm spending less money on fees and commissions because of the amount of trades that I'm taking. I'm taking less trades now, but it doesn't mean you can't be doing this. It just means, you do want to factor in, if you are doing this as a business, that fees and commissions do add up the more trades you take. So it might be a little bit easier to trade less and kind of hold the position a little bit longer versus actively push yourself into the market over and over again and have to add up the amount of fees and commissions that just cost it out at the end of the month, right? So keep that in mind. But again, that's not saying that scalping is less better than intraday trading, or intraday trading is less better than scalping. So keep those things in mind. But again, it's going to be based off of how you process information and what works best for you in terms of looking at more information or being able to make an active, quick reaction or decision in the market by processing a fast information, right? Sometimes it works better for me. When I was starting out, it worked better for my mindset, right? Because I didn't want to kind of think so much about what I was going to do. I'd rather just kind of actively act in the market once I saw it come into my zone. But keep in mind too, you're going to have less breathing room when you do that if you do scalp, and you can have a lot more breathing room if you are intraday trading. Kind of gives you some wiggle room for the market to move around. But again, that pretty much wraps it up. That's going to be the difference and the tips that we have for trading actively, right? For scalping or for intraday trading. Hopefully this helps you guys out. If you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions you guys got, again, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. Hopefully these videos are helping you guys out. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye.